Challenge of the occult, teen Satanism. It goes into such things as ritual mutilation, a progressive building up of sin or crime, and control of the spirit. And this applies to both sides, doesn't it? There is a frequent repackaging and relabeling of philosophy and religion. Some people are drawn in by knowing there are other cultures and that they can get away with some lesser sins. Social disadvantage just makes getting caught easier. Secularism leads to Satanism. Because you could say that Satan and the demons get you away from devotion to God and do stuff maybe that would be a waste of time and then over to their side. It doesn't happen all at once. People will pay prices for their addictions. And some of the stuff that they mentioned in this documentary and, some of the other ones that I've been talking about could very well be real. But it wasn't that they were getting into Satanism. They were into drugs or they were into music or whatever. And they just, the other stuff around it or what other people made them do so that they could fill their desires. Many only get involved in divination and other forbidden spirituality because it is spoken of as forbidden by a side that act like we can't have such experiences these days. They act like, there's biblical reasons for that, but they act like philosophy. You can't have philosophy. That will be shut off after Paul and his buddy. The Bible does make that point. And you can't have certain degrees of sensual enjoyment or wealth or whatever because whatever. And so the other side offers that stuff. Oh, you can't figure out anything for yourself. You can't let your mind develop thoughts. You can't have spiritual experience, dreams, and all that. That's just stopped. People will tell you that. And then so they turn to the other side. It is true that things will tend to start off small. And so that's it with that part, right? And yeah, that's a real sheep that was found somewhere.